So let's just start with the very basic thing. So the first thing is to go into a folder. So let's assume we want to go into the document folder. We have to click it. So it means that we need to find where the document is, assuming it's on home. We go there and then we click it and then we go into that as well. Now, we can save our lives by just using the command line. And then we do CD and then we go to documents. And then we are in the document folder. If I do an ls, there's nothing in there and it's telling me there's nothing in there. So clearly we can do the same thing using a GUI when we want to go into a folder. If I want to go back one step, I'll do a CD and then I'll say ... meaning I want to go back. And then when I do my ls again, which is just to list all the items in a particular folder, and then I do this. So just for a quick recap, we're saying that since we are having the tilde is just telling us that we are in the home directory. And so if I want to see what's inside the home directory, I'll just do an ls and then it will show me all the things in the home directory. And if I want to go into a particular folder, I just have to do change directory or CD. I'll say I want to go into that folder and then I do that and then I go into that folder.